Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is September 8th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the major levels I have on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then we'll go over some of the levels on gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for me, kind of got some bigger levels between everything. I got a main resistance all the way at the top, 45, 48, 25. Kind of a mid area right here at 45, 23.50 to about 24 as an area of resistance that we potentially could see hold the market down. And then support for me is going to come in right around these 44, 97, 50s, kind of where we bounced off. That was kind of our low right there at this low bottom there. So may see the support right around that area, but we'll see how we react off these 23.50s. For me, that's going to be an area of interest for resistance as of right now. Underneath these 97.50s, my next area down below is 44.64.75. So we'll see what happens around these areas here. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy to give you some of the minor levels she has.
Hey, good morning. Well, what do you know? Our support matched to the tick right down there at 97.50. Woohoo!
Nice.
Okay, guys, we obviously are bearish. If you're looking at this chart thinking we're bullish, then we need to talk because we're bearish. It keeps making lower highs, lower lows. We have the resistance up there at 22.75. Actually, it was a double top area as well from yesterday, right? That's our resistance. And then the neck of that double top is 17.25. It is the micro support. When you're in a downtrend, what you want to look for are supports that are broken and go up to retest. We haven't really tested any major supports yet because we're on our way down. We're going to probably retest 1150 at some point, but look at this micro support, which I very rarely talk about. That's the retest for the further move down. Do you understand? 1725. Have a look at that, study it, understand why it happened. Now, from support, where David's support is at 97.50, that's a great bounce. Where's the micro peak from that? 45.05.25. Used it perfectly for a ride all the way up close to resistance. 22.75 didn't quite make it up there, fell short, which means the market's pretty damn weak right now. So this is either going to come down to our micro peak area at 45.05 for continuation up, or we're coming down. We're going down below support 97.50. So what we're going to do is wait and see how it handles this micro peak. That will be our roadmap to tell us if we're going up, or if we're going to continue the road down. So just the two areas, that micro support that was retested, that micro peak that was used. We have our majors. We're going to make some money. And that's all I have for SPOOs. So Dave, I'm going to hand it back to you for oil and gold.
Awesome. Alrighty, so looking over at gold, a little bit of a range. We got resistance 1803.9, kind of right in the middle. For me, a lower support 1792 even. We may actually end up making it down to that area. But right now, it's better that we wait for the market to try to pull up a little bit to those 1803.9s and then see if we get that resistance. So right off this area, and then maybe get a nice continuation or short to the downside to touch our 92. So we'll see if that happens there on gold. Moving over into crude oil. Crude oil coming back up. We have a level of prior support that may act as resistance. We'll see how it reacts here at these 69, 63s. Next level up for resistance is going to be somewhere around 70.58 for me as a main level. So as of right now, I want to see if we fail to get through this area. If we don't find the support on top of it, then this could be a good short opportunity to try to get it right back down. So we'll see what happens here on crude oil as well. But with that, guys, let's get into trading.